Hey everybody, BTTF DMC 1984 here again, here on this nice Veterans Day on 11/11/11. I have an unboxing video for you today. This is from Toy Pit Stop. A few days ago they had a contest that they run to win a T-Hunt and another vehicle, and I got lucky and I was able to win their contest, and it was for a 55 Chevy T-Hunt and Baja Breaker chase from the Hot Ones. So let's open up the box and see them. Here we have the 55 Chevy '09 T-Hunt. Really nice car. The regular version as always. Beautiful casting, beautiful color, and as Mr. and Mrs. Z bunch numbers, flameage, yeah. Try to knock that car over, and the Hot Ones Baja Breaker chase. You can tell by the red line tires, it says the Hot Ones on it. Really nice casting. Metal base, metal body, plastic tires. Hot Wheels not feeling too much on the yellow tinted windows, but I guess that's supposed to be the nostalgia feel for the cars, so it is what it is. It's got a beautiful Baja Breaker Tampa with Hot Wheels logo on the door. Nice orange, yellow, and white paint job. Carries over to the back, even has a Hot Wheels logo on the license plate. Really nice touch. So thanks again, Toy Pit Stop, for sending these out. Enjoy the contest, and good luck to future winners. Bye bye.